lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deja Monet for those of you who may just be discovering my channel for the first time. As always, just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn those post notifications on. Today we've got this nice big package that I'm so excited about. I've been waiting for this. So we have the Ivy Park and Adidas collaboration. So this is something I'm very excited about. Anyone who knows me knows my obsession with Beyonce Giselle Knowles Carter, okay? So I feel like I'm about to open this box and she gonna be in here because I spent $700 on these pieces. So B better be in here, or Blue Ivy, or Rumi, or Sir. Somebody better be in here, okay? But I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and open this baby up, see what we're working with, and we're gonna get these pieces tried on so you guys can see how it looks on me and how I style it up and whatnot. So let's get right into it. Let me get my scissors, girl. Let me get my scissors. Give me a second. All right, let's open it up. I'm so excited. I feel like a kid on Christmas right now. Here we go, y'all. Beyonce! She ain't in here, child. She ain't in here. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. So let's just take it out one by one. Right at the top, we've got the sneakers. These are the Nite joggers. I got them in a size 6.5. So pull it out. Has the little duster bag. This little duster bag like that. Oh my gosh. Come on, quality. Come on, branding. Ooh, these are so freaking cute. Okay. Ta-da! These are the shoes that I purchased. And you know, I went with these ones. I was between these ones and the other Nite joggers that are like lime green and then the forest green on the back. I ended up going with these ones because I felt like I could get more wear out of these because the colors are not as just vibrant and just bold and out there. A lime green sneaker, there's only so much that you can wear that with. These, I feel like I will get a lot more wearing out of them. So I am glad that I chose to get these ones instead of the other ones. And then this one has the little thing on it. I don't know what you call this, but I really like this. I don't know what I would use it for, but it's so cute. Okay. This is the piece that I think I'm most excited about. This is the Catsuit. I'm pretty sure this item sold out first. I think everybody wanted to get their hands on this. And I got lucky and was able to. Y'all, the material on this, very quality, worth the $140 that I spent on it, just from feeling the material. I can tell it's gonna really snatch me in. I have my body looking snatched. The colors are super vibrant. Like, oh, I cannot wait to wear this, honey. This is something you can dress up or dress down, which I really love. I can put this on with heels, or I can put this on with the sneakers that I just showed you. And so knowing me, I'm probably gonna opt for the heels just because I love to dress up. But this is so freaking cute. Next, we have the sports bra. So I got the sports bra in like that dark green color. So it looks like this. Super cute. I love a good sports bra. I like the detailing, the cutout detailing in the front. I got a size small. Everything that I ordered, I got a size small. That's generally my sizing. Adidas sizing can sometimes be a little bit off, especially like if you're ordering jackets and stuff like that. But in everything that I ordered, I think it should all fit me because I ordered a small and everything. So this is the sports bra. And it has like a cross back detailing in the back. Very cute. And to go with this, of course, I had to get the biker shorts. I got the matching biker shorts. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. The mesh panel on the side, I think that's my favorite detail of these. It has like that little mesh. And then I love like the new trend of like the stitching on items, on garments like this. I love that. And then of course the waistband says Ivy Park, has Ivy Park engraved. And I think these two are just gonna look so bomb together. Also, I got like the wind jacket is what it's called. Got that in dark green as well. When I saw this on the website, what really sold me is that it had a mask like attached to the jacket. I was like, oh, I need that one. I need that one. Beyonce modeled it perfectly as she does everything. And I was sold. Oh, this is gonna be so bomb. This is gonna be so bomb. It's so long, so I won't even be able to fit it all in the camera right now, but when I try it on, you guys will be able to see it fully. It looks big, but of course something like this is supposed to fit oversized. But I love this already. This is the little mask part that I was telling you guys about, so I really like that. And this is just so me. Especially with the weather right now in Miami. We're literally in the middle of a hurricane, so a rain jacket is exactly what I need. Next, we got this cute bucket hat. I'm definitely a hat girl. Like, if I don't have my natural hair out, which you guys have seen my natural hair, you see how big it is. I can barely wear hats with that. But when I have my hair in like protective styles like this, or if I have a weave in or a wig, whatever the case may be, if my hair is more flat, I love hats. So it's only right that I had to grab a hat from this collection. Only right. And what I love about this hat, number one, I love that it says Ivy Park across the top. It's all about the details, you know? It's all about the details. Never forget that. Pay attention to the details with everything in life, okay? But what I love about this, it's reversible. So you can wear it on either side, or you can even wear it like flipped up a little bit. Giving y'all a few little style tips, okay? You can wear it flipped up a little bit and have like a two-tone bucket like this, or you can wear it fully down and it still have like that dark green lining around the edge. And it says Ivy Park in the front. I think I like the dark green side the most. I really like this color, especially for fall. That's a perfect fall color. And so, super cute. Super cute, and it fits on my big head, so that's always a plus. I really like this hat. And of course it goes with the other things that I ordered. Last but not least, had to grab the 3-pack of socks. So it's a 3-pack. It comes with like this light blue color, Then one with this, the honey color. This was the honey drip. This was the azul drip. This was the honey drip. And I forgot what this last color she called it. But it's like that forest green color. So I got 3 pairs of socks. Can go with all of these outfits as well. That was everything that I got. Let's go ahead and get these pieces tried on. I know that's what y'all are waiting for. I'm so excited to try these on and see how they, you know, fit in my little curves or whatever. Okay, y'all, so this is the Catsuit. This is the first look. Let me put this disclaimer out there. It took me probably 5 minutes to get into this. Like I said, this is a very, very quality material, and it's like that bandage material. Like, you know those bandage dresses we used to wear? It feels like that. So it's very snug. You literally gotta wiggle your way into this, but I made it. I broke a little sweat, but I love it, and it really does snatch your shape up. I like how the lining here, it gives the illusion of like a Coke bottle shape, and it makes you look more curvy than you actually might be. I really do like that detail on it. It does have a built-in push-up bra. You don't even need any bra. Like, I have no bra on. I am a 34B, and so it literally pushes the girls up, okay? So I've opted to style it with these cute little rimless sunglasses, and like a little lime green mini purse. I'm going to put a picture, I'm going to insert a picture in this video so that you guys can see the full look. Because I'm on my camera, it's not going to allow me to show you guys everything, but this is the look. So this is the look without sunglasses. The sunglasses add a nice touch if you're going to wear it during the daytime, of course. But if you wanted to do a nighttime look, of course you can do it without sunglasses. But I'm definitely a sunglass girl. Every outfit I wear has to have sunglasses. But yeah, isn't she cute, guys? Is she cute or what? Is she cute? Do a little mini photo shoot. All right, y'all, so I'm in the second look now. My camera just does not want to work with me as far as getting the full fit. Obviously, because of the dimensions of YouTube, I have to keep the camera the horizontal way, and I can't do it vertically so that you guys can really see the full fit. But like I said, I will insert another picture so that you can see everything. For now, we're gonna have to get ghetto and just kind of scan it like this. I am obsessed with these biker shorts, y'all. The mesh panel on the side, this is my favorite detail. It's giving 90s workout routine. It's giving Kanye's workout plan. It's giving ass. It's giving body. And I just love these. And then, of course, we've got the Nite joggers on the shoes and the cute little socks. So this is the full fit. Then you can accessorize a little more. Play around with the bucket hat. I love bucket hats. This adds just a great personal touch. And if you guys want to see it the other way, flip it inside out. And I just love how all the color schemes go together, because then it matches the shoulder strap if I flip it this way, and it also matches the socks. So all the colorways go perfectly. And then if I want to add another layer to this outfit, of course you can't forget the windbreaker. So this jacket, it's definitely an oversized fit for sure. I could have gotten the extra small if I really wanted to, but you know, I don't mind the oversized fit, especially for a jacket like this. It's extremely long. It's literally down to my ankles. Let me just scan it really quick. It's all the way down to my ankles. So I like how long it is. This is a look, B. This is a look. I love anything with a hood on it, so that's always a plus. But let me take the hat off really quickly so you guys can really see. So I love anything with a hoodie. It just gets me in my gangsta vibe, you know? Like, and social distance. Back up. 6 feet, please. So this is the little mask. I love this element of this jacket. It was genius to include this. So, I'm not gonna zip it up. I have on lip gloss right now, but very cute. I can't wait to wear this out and about. Y'all gonna get these Instagram pictures, okay? And if you're not following me on Instagram, you need to, because that's where the real content is at. My pictures, I take them very seriously. So follow me on Instagram at DejMonett with 2 T's. DejMonett. Because y'all gonna catch the drip when I drop this. So I don't know where I'm wearing it to yet, but I am excited to put on all of my Ivy Park dress. Which look do you guys like the best? I'm very curious because I'm torn. Like, I thought I would love the Catsuit the best because just the colors and the fit. But honestly, I think I'm fucking with this one the best. Like, I think I'm fucking with this one the best. But I'm curious to know which look you guys like more. Let me know down in the comments and we can debate on it. And you know, I just want to know, you know, what's more your vibe, your style. Do you guys like how I styled it up? What would you style it with, etc., etc.? Let me know in the comment box. Let's chit chat, y'all. Well, I hope you guys did enjoy this unboxing and try on as much as I did. As always, please subscribe to my channel and turn those post notifications on. I don't want you to miss any videos. If you have any questions or comments about any of the looks in this video, please feel free to leave them in the comment box below. Also, make sure y'all are following me on Instagram for when I drop these looks. When I actually wear this, the pictures are coming, honey. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Once again, my Instagram name is DejMonett. That's DejMonett. So make sure you guys are following me there, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.